Hello everyone, I greet in the name of God Almighty. My name is Apostle Newton Silas, and today we have a very interesting video to react to. And this one says, court cam, victim father forgive defendant in an emotional court sentencing. And then this video was recommended by Abdul Rahman Bari. Okay, Abdul Rahman Bari recommended me to react to this video, so I decided to check it out. And this is basically based on life experience, what that happened to a father, but he was able to show that heart of forgiveness. And then I feels like I should share this video to us for us to understand what forgiveness really mean. But then when we get down to the video, we can be able to understand what happened before the father was able to show that spirit of forgiveness that we need to learn from it. So if today happens to be the first time of you checking out my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Facebook and Instagram. And if you have any video you want me to react to, don't forget to drop it at the comment section and I'm going to check it out. So guys, before we get on to the video, I'm a theologian and I make this video not to discredit anyone's religion. This is basically for educational purposes, and I believe that at the end of this video we all are going to learn from this. So without any further ado, let's get on to this video and check this out.
We're in Lexington, Kentucky, and the sentencing of Trey Alexander Relford. He's pled guilty to the 2015 murder and robbery of Salahuddin Jitmood, a 22-year-old who'd been delivering pizzas. Jitmood was making his final delivery of the night when Relford and two accomplices lured him into their apartment complex, then robbed and stabbed him to death.
Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Before Relford receives his sentence, the victim's father, Sambat Jitmood, a school principal and devout Muslim, speaks directly to the man who murdered his son.
Trey Alexander Relford, I feel so I forgive you on behalf of Salahuddin and his mother.
Wow.
Before Judge Kimberly Bennell delivered her sentence, there was still one person left to speak.
Mr. Relford, do you wish to make...
Just tell us I can do it. So I thank you for your forgiveness.
And now it's time for the judge to announce her sentence.
Mr. Relford, an incredibly horrible event happened that has changed the lives of two families forever. Nothing can fix it. I am going to accept the Commonwealth's recommendation. Murder, 25 years. And I truly wish for you the very best. Thank you.
Trey Relford received 25 years for murder and an additional 6 years for robbery. Thanks for being a fan of Court Cam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.
Whoa, that's a very interesting video. Watching these very difficult circumstances, for one to be able to show the level of love and then the spirit of forgiveness which the father of the deceased was able to show to the defendant. It's very unfortunate that things like this, you understand, are happening. And the truth about it is, things like this are happening in our society, and that is why I am sharing this video with you, to be able to understand the level of compassion a father who have a child who lost his child experience, but yet able to show the spirit of forgiveness. This is exactly what that God in heaven have been forgiving me, have been forgiving you that is listening to me. It's not that we are perfect or our sense of morals is perfect. As a matter of fact, Jesus says that no one is good except the Father. So it means that everything that we are just doing is just by God's mercy that keeps us going, but not that because of our deeds are pleasing to Him, that is why we are still alive, or that is why we may even gain salvation. That's when we leave this very earth, after we give an account of whatever we are doing here. No, it's not by our good deed. It's not by even our belief of whatever you think that you are doing, or by giving to charity, or all those things are good. We are supposed to do that, but it's still not enough for you to be able to what? To gain salvation. But what I want to say is that heart that that father have, to be able to forgive that man who have probably make him childless. I don't know if he also have other children, but he was able to show that forgiving spirit. The truth about it is, it's not everyone that can be able to do this. For some of you who are watching me, even though I don't have a child, okay, I don't have a child yet, and then for some of you who are watching me, some of you may be having children, but then you should tend to understand that pain of losing that child, and not just about having that pain, but understanding that this is the person that actually killed your child, and able to have that heart to forgive that very person. Like, this is very expensive. Like, the word forgiveness, it may be like, okay, it's just a word, okay. It's not like somebody took some maybe $50, $100, $500, like, oh yeah, I've forgiven you. This is different. This is something that is priceless. We're talking about the life of human, something that maybe probably you give birth to, you grow that person, somebody you loved, and then somebody somewhere just take the person's life, and then this is a situation whereby you are coming out to say that I have forgiven you. It's a very serious, in a sense, situation, and then that's why I am saying that Jesus have already shown us the way on how we should forgive. And the worst part of it is, this very man, the father of the son, is not even a Christian, but he is a Muslim, even though a school principal. But by the values of Islam, he was able to forgive. How about you that call yourself a Christian? Can you be able to show that forgiving spirit, being it one of the fruit of the spirit? Can you be able to forgive in this kind of circumstances? Can you be able to forgive? Because this is what, in a sense, our Father have done, and then he charges us to what? To do as he has also does. And that's why I said, the greater things than this you shall do. Jesus have already done his own part, and then he expects us to do even better than what he has done already. So this is just up to me. This is still up to you. Can you be able to forgive in these kind of circumstances? Because this is what that is expected of us. You don't forgive because of issue, but you forgive because it is even difficult, but yet you should be able to have that spirit of forgiveness. In fact, what this very man, you understand, did is just priceless. Like, for a father to be able to do it is just priceless. But anyway, he did it anyway. And that person, we do not encourage people to go about what? killing, you understand, people. And I also want to appreciate Abdul Rahman Bari for recommending this video. I believe that this will be a lesson to a lot of people who are watching this video or who will be touched, understand, by this video. And then for you to know that irrespective of whatever someone have done to you, you should try and have that spirit of forgiveness. You should be able to forgive, just as how God has been forgive us of our trespasses despite our sin, our transgression, and then so many things, you understand, we do, but he keeps forgiving you and me. That is why we are still alive today. But if you are to be based on justice and what, you understand, we are doing, that God is going to use it against us, then probably you and me, who could have not even be alive. Maybe they could have even forgotten, innocent, about our existence. But Jesus has shown us the way, and that's why we should what? Stick, you understand, to the way. God will see us through. But then let's learn from this very man, from what, you understand, this heart he was able to show of the spirit of forgiveness. I know a lot of you have thought and opinion. I want you to drop it at the comment section so that we can all learn from one another. So this is the end of my video. If you like my reaction, you should like, share and subscribe. And if you have any video you want me to react to, don't forget to drop it at the comment section and I'm going to check it out. So guys, you remain blessed and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.